Hey, good morning, everyone. Rory Powers, Right Line Trading. Hope you had a nice evening. Let me get my camera set. All right. Hopefully, my audio is working. Hope everyone had a nice evening. My name's Rory Powers. We're going to be showcasing our automated bots here at Right Line Trading. Today is Tuesday, March 17th. If you're joining us today, hallelujah. Make a joyful noise for the Lord. You're in it to win it. Any day above ground is a blessed day. Let's rejoice and be glad in it. Today, we always start off our sessions first thanking God for another day. Most important. Wow, look at this trade go. This MNQ bot is on fire. I was speaking with one of our members, Michael, yesterday. Shared with him this MNQ bot. It's really the leapfrog or power play, whatever you want to call it. But it trades 3 micros with the leapfrog trade management integration. And you've got the opportunity for a runner on every trade with very little risk. Let me see if I can get my chat working. All right. Let's pivot to the news reports. Tuesday, March 17th. Oh my goodness, silver is on a tear. The Fed meeting starts today. It's a 2-day meeting. And whether or not they will adjust the interest rates is what they're going to decide on. Historically, on the day of the minutes release, the market can be very choppy and ranging. So we'll proceed with caution today and tomorrow. The morning session looks dynamite. Dynamite. So let's see what news reports are coming out. ADP weekly employment change came out at 8:15. Pending home sales, 10 o'clock. We're going to have to respect that. Pending home sales is an orange report, medium impact. So we will be careful. Keep an eye open at 10 a.m. We will pause any live trades that we take. We always check the Forex factory. That's step 1 of our trading plan, to see the environment that we're getting ourselves into. We don't want to have an unpleasant surprise. Ever have one? Not fun. Where you're in a trade and all of a sudden a red folder report comes out. And you've instantly lost $1,000 before you started. So here we go. Look at this leaderboard. Very exciting. What is the leaderboard? If today's your first day joining us, welcome. The leaderboard, what we do is I begin to run these bots an hour or 2 prior to when I start trading. Okay, I used to run them 23 hours, but I never trade in the middle of the night. So it was a lot of useless information. So because I only trade during the New York, really on YouTube, during the New York Stock Exchange, I only let it run during those hours. I turn it on about an hour or 2 pre-market so I can establish what I refer to as my leaderboard. These are the bots performing the best when? Today. Today is always the key word, right? Thanks for telling me, Peter. Anybody else seeing my screen blurry? You're funny, Mike. So the leaderboard, the what have you done for me latelys, right? If the bot made money for you last week or last month, well, we were very grateful back then. But what have you done for me lately, right? We got to get to the winner's circle and make some money today. Today. So we're looking for a vehicle or a vessel that can get us there with a high probability. So we got the ES one-day pass, the ES scalper. Man, when I see these crosses come out on my ES scalper and I break above that VWAP, my 15 and 50 are both green and sloping up. Those trades have been money in the bank. I kid you not. Let's take a look at the overall trading environment of the ES since this session opened at 1800 hours. Here's 1800 hours, right where the VWAP is, right here. The Asian Open took a leg down, and starting at the London, nothing but going up to the moon. To the moon. We've got our high volume candles, are these blue candles telling us that institutional money is pressing the price of the S&P higher. The crosses are looking at a number of different indicators that are all in alignment. Our software is defining risk as being at the lowest right now. If you get into this move nice and early, right at that 1550 cross, man, you've got a monster trade, just like this one got to the upside. Let's take a look at our 20-unit Renko on the NASDAQ. A lot of the same. Let's go back to 1800 hours. We'll see a move down at the Asian Open. 1800 hours is right at the VWAP here. Got a little move down, but starting at 5 a.m., it took off. We're right into an area of resistance that we'll have to negotiate with. I'm really sorry, Peter. Hey, Stan. Good morning. Glad you made it today. So the leaderboard is looking juicy. Now what we do is the next part of our trading plan is we take the bots that are performing the best and we get ready to trade them on a copier. I've got my Leapfrog on its own tab. I've got my ES Scalper on its own tab. Now I can very quickly and seamlessly enable my copier and have you copy across my prop accounts. Makes no difference which prop firm you use. I use Apex, but you can use any prop firm that supports NinjaTrader. I personally like Apex because they have the one-day pass. I've had success with them in the past, so I stick with them. Let's see what else is on the board. NQ Best Bot. NQ Leapfrog. My silver bot's been crushing it. I've been watching it out of the corner of my eye. Let's keep an eye on crude oil. Let's keep an eye on crude chart. Let me see if I can find my crude Unirenko. Here it is. We don't want to lose track of crude. I would definitely keep an eye on gold. Gold is my top performing bot right now. And today at 1 o'clock, we're going to do a live training. And we're going to highlight the gold bot. Crude oil right now is up 550. We had a session last Monday that it was unstoppable. It was up over $7,000. So let's see what happens at the open. It's 9:29. We have a daily profit target of $250 to $500. Once we reach it, we stop trading. Hold on. I'll be right back. Okay, there's the open. Let's go to the NQ. Let's go right to the leapfrog. When I trade evals, I like to trade the minis. If I'm trading my PA accounts, I trade the micros. I don't like to do a lot of risk on the PA accounts. I want to take my time and get something consistent and sustainable. Let's let things settle down. We're going to be patient and disciplined. We're going to wait for price action. We're not going to jump in before 9:32. Let's give it a couple of minutes to settle down. Let's see if we get a retracement. The market doesn't like gaps. We had a big gap up this morning. We could get a retracement back to the 50 or back to the VWAP. Let's see what it does. Man, my 401k yesterday went through the roof. I was so happy to see it. Let's see if this ES8U, it could be a redo of yesterday. If this thing continues up, we're going to piggyback that baby. Let's put it on the scalper. It's very tempted to take it now. Let's see if it breaks resistance on the NQ. This is just how things worked out yesterday. Let's see if we get a break of resistance here. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Look at this. Let's anticipate the break. 9:32. You know what? I'm going to let this one go. I'm going to let it go. I should have taken it. It's okay though. Oof, look at this ES. I want to squeeze out my trade on that ES. I'm going to try to get in on this scalper long. And we're in the ES scalper. We're only going to risk about $250 on this trade. If it comes back on me more than $250, I'm going to count it as a loser and look for another entry. I don't want to reach my daily loss limit on one trade. Come on up. Come on up. Come on up. Getting some high volume candles long.
Come on, pop to the upside. Good morning. Good morning, Ralph. Come on, take one more leg up. Let's go. Market got a bit choppy on us, didn't it? Looking for a break of resistance on that NASDAQ. Wouldn't that be nice? Come on up. Let's keep an eye on the leaderboard. The Golden Goose is up 840 already. Apex right now isn't allowing any trading on gold. And wouldn't you know, it's my hottest bot. Come on, let's break resistance. Let's go. Let's take one leg up. It's all we need. Here we go. Come on. Push through. Pop it through. Push it through. Let's go. Let's take one leg up. That's all we need. Let's go. Breakthrough. Breakthrough. Breakthrough resistance. Come on through. Getting some buying pressure. So far, they're holding the line at 25,070. Come on. Oh, no, don't roll on me. Ah, darn. Come back up. Come on back. Come on back up. Come on up. Push up. Breakthrough there. All right. I'm going to take some profits right there. I still think this thing is going to push through. There's some good buying pressure. I'm just afraid it's going to roll, do a short roll. But we'll take a small winner. We're anticipating the break of resistance. The one-day pass scored. The one-day pass, those are the templates that are designed to pass an eval in one trade. And this morning, the ES one-day pass crossed the finish line and got us over the edge, over the hump. If this breaks through resistance, this ES trade is going to the moon. I didn't stick around to find out. Here it goes. We could anticipate the break for a long trade on the leapfrog. I hate to make a winning day a losing day. But I love this entry through resistance. You can see how many failures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the sixth test. Test number 6 of resistance. We're still getting high volume candles at resistance, meaning there's a lot of sellers sitting right there. That's what that yellow candle's telling us.
Our leapfrog is at 1586. Our ES10 range is at 1464. The ES best spot is piggybacking the scalper, I imagine. No, it's not. It's piggybacking the... Well, yeah, it was the scalper. I stopped it out to take my entry. It was piggybacking the scalper. NQ best spot. ES best spot's at 1200. NQ best spot's at 800. Here we go. Watch the break. Watch the break. Here we go. Blue candle, not a yellow candle. This one's going. The buyer stepped in right here. This is going to pop with a lot of volatility. Watch this long entry. Now resistance has become support. Now I'm kicking myself for getting out of that ES trade. This thing has a lot of potential. Here we go. To the moon. We're gone. Gonzo. Bam. In the window. Bam. Full winner. $2,000 on the leapfrog with the break. I bailed out early, and the price finally broke through. We got 3 consecutive blue candles. It's very tempting to take this long. I think it's going to continue up. Let's go for it. I hate to make a winning day a losing day. We're back in. Don't come back on me now. Come on up. Come on up. Let's go. Come on. One more pop to the upside. Come on, pop up. Trouble. Let's go back to our scalper. Let's get a little more aggressive here. Wait, let's come off the leapfrog. Back in on the scalper. The volume. The volume's kind of low right now. I'm looking at the counter. This is contracts per minute. 400 contracts a minute. We'd like to see at the very least 1,000 contracts a minute. Ah, nice. Congratulations, Gerald. Great job. Great job. Yeah, that ES, that 8 o'clock trade on the E-mini was just dynamite. You could see it on my chart. It started about 7 a.m. It just launched. Congratulations. Great job. Normally, I don't like to take another trade when I'm all green like that. There's nothing worse than making a winning day into a losing day. Yeah, I'm in trouble. Come on, pop up. Let's go. Pop up. Bounce off that 50. Come on. Leapfrog went back in. I always like to move my profit target right to resistance. Give price a clear target, a clear shot right to my profit goal. We might get a retracement here. We're a bit oversold, a bit overbought on the move. It's exhausted. Come on, breakthrough. Pop up. Let's go. Come on. Need the buyers to step back in. Hey, good morning, Carol. Happy Tuesday. I'm tempted to just get out of this trade, to be honest with you. I'll wait for price action to get a little juicier. Um, don't really like this trade. Price action went sideways on me. Um, I'm going to close it and we'll re-enable that strategy. Now watch the thing take off. Yeah, that ES. My God, I'm late to the party. My goodness. The NQ leapfrog is red hot. My ES best bot and my NQ best bot would have got me to the promised land. I'm going to wait for price action. We kind of went into this ranging sideways market where it's best to just hold on and wait. Hurry up and wait. We're stuck between the 50 and upside resistance on this NQ chart. Let's see where our 20-unit Renko is. Overbought. Making a retracement, which is really what we need. Look at that MNQ power play. Up $991 trading 3 micros. Incredible. $10 in 1 minute, we've got the orange folder report. If you're in a trade, you may want to consider closing it. We've got pending home sales month over month in 1 minute. Let's see if this report causes any type of reaction. 35 seconds. $25 seconds. Pending home sales. That's a medium impact report. The results are pending. The forecast was minus 0.6%. Let's wait for our opportunity. It's starting to look more and more like a FOMC day, isn't it? Leapfrog went long. This Leapfrog, this 30 range bot, will only go long when my 20 Unarenko is above the 50. It's looking at a higher time frame, looking for an alignment, a multi-time frame alignment of trend between the 30 range, which it's trading on, and it's also looking at the 20 Unarenko. Crude is trading at $94 a barrel. Leapfrog is in a nail biter. Let's see if our 20U retraces to the 50. Here we come. We're getting a retracement here. Let's see what happens. What I'm watching for is whether my 20 Unarenko bar is going to break down below the 50 or it's going to bounce and continue up into the trend. That's what I'm waiting to see. Getting some selling pressure now. Now watch the retirement plan long on that 20U. Watch this retirement plan long. Here it comes. Or we might get a leapfrog short. We'll see. Here comes that retirement plan long. Let's see if we can get in on it. I'm not sure, Mike. I think By design, they have a delay on the YouTube live stream. I'm not sure. Getting a buy signal on crude oil. Hmm. I can look in the settings, I imagine. Ultra low latency. Maybe that would be in my studio? Oh, the settings of the live stream. Might be too late right now. Tomorrow we could try to make an adjustment. Yeah, we'll do it tomorrow. There's a little bit of a lull in the action. It appears we're going to get a short roll here, is what it looks like. Maybe this is when the market reverses? Maybe not. Our MNQ power plays up 800. Let's give this retirement plan a shot. Maybe the price action is sideways is the problem. Today at 1 o'clock. Oh, I meant to wish everybody a happy St. Patrick's Day. My goodness, it almost slipped my mind. Happy St. Patrick's Day. We need a little bit of the luck of the Irish here. Coming into the fourth quarter, it's 10 after 10. But today at 1 o'clock Eastern, we're going to do a live presentation. If you're not on our mailing list and you would like to attend, it's at 1 p.m. Eastern. Just send me an email to support. I'm going to put the address in chat. support@rightlinetrading.com. Today at 1 p.m. Low volume. There's only 400 contracts a minute, which is no good for us. We need the institutional money to step in here. We got a lot of running room to the downside. Let's see if price retraces back to the VWAP. This yellow line is my VWAP. We need this 20U to break the 50. Now we went to 750 contracts a minute. Let's anticipate the short roll here on the leapfrog. Low volume, low volume. Here it comes. Let's give it a shot. We got about 1,300 contracts a minute crossing. Price is bouncing on my 20U, right off the 50. Needed to break through that 50. Come on down. There's a yellow high volume candle. Come on. Come on down. Come right down to my VWAP. Well, looking for a short entry on the leapfrog. Let's keep an eye on the volume. It's 400 contracts a minute. When these FOMC meetings take place, we see a significant drop in volume. We need price to come right down to the VWAP here. Right down to the VWAP. Pop us in short. All right, let's take it. All right, we're in short. See if we can get some follow through. A little late to the party here. Come on down. Come on down. Push down. All right, I got to stop there. Somehow I turned a winning day into a losing day. It's always a lesson to learn. I was up about 150, 175 on all my accounts. and trade it again. The system gave me ample opportunities, and somehow I stepped on a banana peel. The NQ best spot is back in. Let's go to the best spot. The best spot takes all of the guesswork out of it. The best spot right now is piggybacking the Mack truck. Boy, how it pulled that one out of its hat. What a what a pick. The best spot took the Mack truck. Hey, good morning, Rev. Good to see you, sir. It did, Mike, until recently. We're getting a retracement here, but it could continue up. You're right. With the FOMC meeting this today and tomorrow, our opportunity was really pre-market. Our opportunity was right here. Look at this. With that ES scalper, here we go. The NQ best spot in short. Mack truck in short. A monster trade. An absolute monster. Boy, it's tempting. I think I'm just going to stop right there. Coming up behind me at 11:30. You can see the buy signals I'm getting on crude. Crude oil is up 590. It's trading at $94 a barrel. Today at 1 o'clock, we're going to take a look at the crude oil and gold bots. Nice. Rev, you're on fire, man. Congratulations. That was the bet. That was the opportunity of the day. It really was. I watched it. That ES, man, that is our setup right there. I got into it at 9:32 and bailed out early. Could have had a beautiful winner. Let's see that scalper. That scalper could jump right back in long. It did. I knew it. The signal C. The signal C trigger is this oscillator right here above the Laguerre, where the blue line is, the blue midline. When the exponential oscillator, when it goes through that blue midline, it jumps in long. That's the signal C trigger. Got a nice retracement and now a continuation back up into that long trend. And Q Best Bot's back in. Let's see which bot is piggybacking. The Mack truck still. It's still on the Mack truck. The Mack truck came crashing through the 50. And the Best Bot piggybacked it. The goose is loose. The golden goose is in. Let's see if we can get it. Take a look at that trade on gold. This is the gold trade. Gold is trading at right at 5,018 or 19. You get that on the ES scalper, Rev? Let's see what the stock market's doing real quick. We're in a short position on gold. Gotcha. Yeah, what beautiful signals, huh? Oh, Stevie Wonder saw that one. Was it? Here goes the golden goose. I just saw my stop come jump down. Locked in a little bit of profit. If it gets into my window, this will start leapfrogging. It could be a very lucrative trade. All the index equities are up. Here comes gold. We really want gold to get into our profit window. That's a part of our trade management. It's our second leg of profit that initiates the leapfrog. My stop will come flying down, and my profit target will give it more room, and we'll start locking in profits as the trade matures to the downside. If you're happy with a $500 trade, you can always close the position. I can always drag my stop if I want to and be a little more and lock in more profits as I see fit. I'm just going to let it go in full automation though, just to see how it manages the trade. I'm up 700 there. Now it just triggered my leapfrog. Now I just locked in probably about $500 on that trade. So now it's either about 500 or 1,000. 550 actually. So it's 550. The Golden Goose is up 390 for the day. Here comes our trade on, oh, I thought that was the ES chart, excuse me. Oh, the retirement plan. The retirement plan actually scored. I was close to, man, I was thinking about taking that trade on the reversal. It came down a little too far for me, but it wound up scoring. Look at that. That retirement plan can get some beautiful entries. When that RSI line dips down into the red, and then it comes back up out of it with a green 50, and it just, you can see where the entry was. My 50 just turned green and got us in at really the perfect entry. Well, the bots really came through today. The system traded phenomenal. Our ES bots were on top. The NQ Best bot was piggybacking the Mack truck. All you had to do was take that Best bot today, and you were in the winner's circle. No questions asked. The ES Best bot. Those Best bots take all the guesswork out. You choose one of those, and they will automatically look at your entire portfolio and trade only the most profitable NQ or ES bot that we have. The MNQ Power Play crushed it. Michael, how did yours do? Mine trading 3 micros is up $857. MNQ retirement plan is up 700. ES30 range, crude oil, a lot of bots did extremely well today. Last trade of the day. I hope everybody has a blessed rest of your day. I want to thank you for joining me today. The retirement plan ended our live stream session at plus 330. God willing, we'll be back tomorrow, same time, same place. I want to thank you all for joining me. I hope you have a blessed rest of your day. Remember, today at 1 o'clock, we're going live, St. Patrick's Day special. If you're not in our mailing list, you did not get the invitation, send me an email to support@rightlinetrading.com, and I will make sure that you get your access link for today's presentation. It should be a dandy. Have a great day, everybody. Enjoy your St. Patrick's Day. God bless. So long.